It's a little bit windy out here, but what I wanted to do today is I have this one Haskap. I used to have 3 in here, but they're surrounded by stones, and every time I come in here to weed, especially with my whacker there, I seem to always hit it. So I'm going to dig it up, and we're going to put it in a pot, and we're going to see if we can separate this plant into a couple of plants. So let's just get started here. Get down underneath. Hopefully I can get there without wrecking the roots. Yeah, some root grabbing for sure. There we go. So I just want to get in there. Whatever, like so. So we got, look at that, came up in like basically one piece here, which is all right. So we're gonna get up to the top there, and we're gonna work at this a little bit. All right, first thing we're gonna do, get rid of what we don't need. A little piece of wood there, over there. Get some of this, get the bark or the wood chips on the top here, and we're gonna try and just loosen up some of this root ball a little bit here. That's all we're gonna do. And you can see that where you can turn a lot of these like this right here, this piece right here, and get in here and cut around it. So let's clean off these roots first, and we'll come right back. Okay, so this is what we got right here. We got all this ball right here. You can see these nice little nodules here. That's good. That's a good sign on any plant when they have nodules on their soil. It means that they're absorbing nutrients. It usually means that's a nitrogen fixer in some way, but these are not. So anyways, yep, we're gonna, pull that out of there. Yep, we're just gonna separate some of this stuff here, and we're gonna try and split this into 5. So I'll show you what I mean. So I can't just cut it like right here. That's not gonna do any good. We need to get some roots into there too. So what I see is this one. It's gonna be difficult because I think I'm only gonna get 50% of what I cut. So we're gonna cut right down the center right here, right there, right, okay. Oh, what do we get here? Oh, we cut one off by accident. I didn't mean to cut this particular one the way I did, but we have roots on it, so we're gonna plant that. We're gonna get that, we're gonna count that as 1. And you can see it kind of cut on the side there, which is not what I was trying to do, but it is what happened. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna wanna cut right down there too. I wanna get that cut out of there somehow without actually breaking it. And we'll cut up from underneath. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but cutting underneath. Wow, that's tougher than I thought it was gonna be. I did this last time with one of mine, and it was a lot easier than that. So we're gonna split it right up in there, just like that. And there we go. That's not the best way to do it. As you can see, it's not very clean, but we do have roots here. See, these roots are nice. Little plant here though. So we'll be planting that as well. And again, we're hoping for 50% savior rate. If I can get more than that, that's fantastic. But until I do, I'm not going to worry about it that much. And I think I'm gonna try and split this in here somehow too as well. We got the main root right here. This is your root ball. I'm gonna cut it right here. Just like that. Oh, there we go. I got a decent one off of there. So we got a double whammy there, and we have another one here. So it looks like we're only going to have 4. So I'm going to go with 4 because I don't want to cut it too much and try to get stuff that isn't there. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get these in pots. All right. Even though one of my cuttings was a little small, I ended up with 5. So basically, just get your potting mix in here, whatever you're using. It's pretty simple. We'll get some of that out of there, just like so. Get rid of the weed. And we got a nice long tap root on this one here. So I just gonna snip that off halfway. There you go. So we'll get that in there like so, and we're gonna bury it right up there, just like that. And we're gonna compact it in there with our fingers. Very easy peasy. This is pretty much how you do everything that you plant. Should be kind of this way. You get it in there a little bit, pack it in a little, get it around those, don't leave any air pockets around the roots. And that's about it, really. We are basically done here. We're just gonna fill this up right here, little organics, and that's about it. Pack it tight, get her nice and tamped down. Now we're just gonna give her a little water in, and that's it. I'm gonna water the rest of the plants, and that's done for the day. So there you go.